Alright, quick course on configuring a wireless network. Fast, clean, and reliable. If your Wi-Fi drops when you microwave leftovers, or your 4K stream buffers at the good part, this is for you. In 3 minutes, I'll set up a rock-solid wireless network from scratch. Step 1. Prep. I figure out what I have. Modem and a separate router, or a combo modem, router unit. If my modem is from the ISP, I put it in bridge mode so my router handles everything. I pick where the router lives, center of the home, elevated, away from metal and microwaves, no closet, no floor. Step 2, get in. I connect a laptop, or a phone. I connect to the default Wi-Fi, or via Ethernet. I open the router app, or go to 192.168.0.1, or 192.168.1.1. Log in with the sticker credentials, and first thing, change the admin username and password. Then I check for firmware updates and install them. Step 3, name and secure Wi-Fi. I set a clean SSID, something I recognize, nothing personal like my address. Security, WPA3 if all my devices support it. Otherwise, WPA2 AES, never WEP. Password, at least 14 characters, mix of words and numbers, easy to say, hard to guess. Step 4, bands and channels. I enable 2.4 GHz for range and smart gadgets. I enable 5 GHz for speed. I enable 6 GHz, Wi-Fi 6 to 6E for top speed where available. If there's Smart Connect, I can keep one SSID and let the router steer devices. If I'm picky, I split them. My Wi-Fi, 2G. And My Wi-Fi, 5G, 6G. Channels. I try auto first. If neighbors are heavy, I scan with a Wi-Fi analyzer app and switch to a quieter channel. Channel width, 2.4 GHz stays at 20 MHz. 5 GHz uses 80 MHz for most homes. 160 MHz only if it's clean. Step 5, DHCP and IPs. I leave DHCP on, but I reserve IPs for my NAS, printer and smart hub so they're easy to find. Step 6, guest and isolation. I enable a guest network with internet-only access. I enable client isolation to keep visitors off my devices. Step 7, advanced polish. I disable WPS. Remote admin stays off unless I need it. Then I use HTTPS and strong credentials. QoS or device priority. I give video calls or consoles priority during peak times. Roaming. If I've got mesh nodes, I turn on 802.11k VBAR and place nodes 1 or 2 rooms apart with a clear line of sight. Transmit power. I leave it at medium auto. Too high can cause sticky clients. DFS channels can be great on 5 GHz, but I only use them if my area doesn't trigger radar events. Step 8. Test. I run a firmware level speed test, then a device speed test near the router and in the worst room. I walk the house with a Wi-Fi analyzer looking for signal drops. If needed, I move the router, change channels, or add a mesh node. Step 9. Backup and maintain. I save or export the router config. I set auto updates at a safe time and I reboot only if needed, not on a daily schedule. Recap, place it right, update. Strong admin and Wi-Fi passwords, WPA3 or WPA2 AES, smart channels and widths, guest network, QoS where it matters, mesh for coverage, test, adjust, and back it up. That's a clean wireless setup in minutes. Got questions? Drop them. I'll help you dial it in.